Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this cute cat can mock-up in Photoshop, step by step. Now carefully select the can. I'm using the quick selection tool for this. Once the can is selected, press Ctrl+J to duplicate it onto a new layer. Next, select the rectangular marquee tool from the toolbar. We'll use it to create a simple area for placing our design. Now right-click on the layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Next, reduce the layer's opacity. Now press Ctrl+T to activate Free Transform. Now adjust the shape according to the can. Right-click and choose Warp. This helps you adjust the design more naturally around the can's curve. Just drag the control points until it fits perfectly. Just click the layer or press Enter to apply the transformation. Double-click on the Smart Object thumbnail. Now, drop your design into the Smart Object window. Make sure it covers the entire area, then position it the way you want it to appear on the can. Press Ctrl+S to save the Smart Object. Now bring the opacity back to 100%. Now hold Alt and drag between the layers. Next, change the blending mode to multiply. Now go to blending options and drag the underlying layer slider. And that's it. Our realistic cat can mock-up is complete. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next tutorial.